I'm Cortney Tenhet. I'm a student at Escoffier and I'm a Disney extern. Disney to me is hospitality, first and foremost. It's one of the largest companies in the world and I don't think you really can get any better than Disney. The reason I chose Escoffier was when I started doing research on culinary schools, I was looking for obviously a good one and I did some research, top 10, top 20 in the country. Escoffier came up. I know other people in the program have had to seek out Disney. Their schools maybe didn't know about it or didn't have the relationship that Escoffier has. I feel really fortunate that Disney and Escoffier have such a great relationship. It was brought up almost day one that it was an option, and then they led us through the entire process and really took care of us as far as getting us ready for the interview process. The experience I'm gaining here, it's going to be the equivalent of 2 or 3 years in any other restaurant. I felt like the name recognition alone would help me in the future as well as the experience. I'm very fortunate that I'm in a completely house-made restaurant. So the volume is tremendous and we learn everything start to finish. My favorite part about Disney is the people that I've met. I've met people from all over the world. It's a real team environment in the restaurant. No one's going to let you fail. Everyone wants you to succeed and we always work really well together.